Okay. Good morning, students. In the previous class, we already discussed about some application problems based on ellipse. Today also, we are going to continue the same one. Today, you are going to see some application problems. Read the question carefully. A semi-elliptical archway over a one-way road has a height of 3 meters and width of 12 meter. The truck has a width of 3 meter and a height of 2.7 meter. Will the truck clear the opening of the archway? You are able to see many roads have some arches. Here also we are having one arch, semi-elliptical arch over a road. For example, I am drawing a simple diagram here. This is road. In this road, we are having one arch, semi-elliptical archway. It has a height of 3 meter. From the center, it has 3 meter height and total width 12 meter. Total width is 12 meter. This is the given data. Then see the another one, a truck. See a truck like this. It is a truck, we are considering a truck. In this truck has a width. The width of the truck is consider 3 meter. It is a width of the truck is 3 meter. Again, height of this truck is 2.7 meter. So width is given, height also given. The question asked is, this truck is passing through this archway. Will the truck clear the opening? This truck is going on this archway. Will the truck clearing the archway or not? Clearing the opening or not? This is the concept they are asking. See this semi-elliptical arch, 12 meter width, 3 meter height at the center. This is the concept. 3 meter height at the center only. See, in this archway, after this 3 meter, after this middle, after this center, it should be reducing. The height should be reducing. So that will the truck passing through this archway, it will clear the archway or not? That is the question they are asking. See this diagram. This is a rough diagram. We are having it. 12 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter truck, 3 meter truck, 2.7 meter height. Width is 3 meter. This is the width. Just considering this is the width, 3 meter. Height is 2.7 meter. So take down the given data. These are the given data. By using this given data, we are going to first draw a rough diagram as per the given data. Then we are going to take in the elliptical structure. See. We need a semi-ellipse. With the given data, you are going to draw a semi-ellipse. Listen, I am taking the axis here, x-axis, x dash, then center, this must be y-axis. I am drawing this semi-ellipse in this x-axis and y-axis with the help of this axis. So now this should be A. See here A and A dash. It should be the center. As per the given data, 12 meter width can be converted as 6 meter. Here also 6 meter. I am taking 6 meter, 6 meter. Then the height is 3 meter. Here the height is 3 meter. Now this point is considered to be 6, 0. The reason is A is the one of the vertex. So here 6 meter, it is on the x-axis. So it should be 6, 0. Here see A dash, it is also 6, 0. But it is lies in the negative direction. So I am taking minus 6, 0. Now this point is technically called as B. 3 meter height at the center. Therefore it is to be 0, 3. These are the given data as per we are taking this one. Then I am going to draw this truck here. See, a truck has a 3 meter. This is the truck considered 3 meter width. The entire truck has 3 meter width. In this 3 meter width, you are going to find out the height. We are going to find out the height. We need to find out this height. If the height is less than 3 meter, if the height is less than 3 meter, then we are able to pass this. Therefore, we are going to find out this height. If the height is greater, then 2.7 meter is the height of this truck already given. We have to find this height. It will be greater than the height of the truck. Then the truck will pass through this path. That is the question. See here, 3 meter. So I can write 3 by 2 here, 3 by 2 here. The reason is from the center, it is equidistant, equally spaced. So 3 meter is the total width of the truck. Therefore, here 3 by 2, here 3 by 2. This is the point unknown. I am going to find out the value of y1. Say that is the y1 is the height of this opening. So 3 by 2 here, y1 is unknown. Say 3 by 2, comma y1. So now we are going to use the logics of ellipse. What is the ellipse we are taking? Type number 1, consider equation is x squared plus by a squared plus y squared by b squared equal to 1. Equation of an ellipse. Equation of an ellipse is x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared equal to 1. Here we know the value of a squared. See, this is a 6 comma 0. So I can write like this: x squared by 6 squared is 36. Then y squared by b squared. That means 3 here, 0 comma 3. 3 squared means 9. We can say 1. This is the equation of the ellipse. Say here a equal to 6, b equal to 3. These are the given data. So we are able to take a equal to 6, b equal to 3. Now use here a squared 36, b squared 9. Now the point P of 3 by 2 comma y1 is on this ellipse. We need to find y1. Therefore substitute this data. The point, that means substitute P of 3 by 2 comma y1. Substitute P of 3 by 2 comma y1. So we are going to substitute here instead of x comma y. So here see 3 by 2 the whole square divided by 36. 3 by 2 the whole square divided by 36. Y is unknown. Say I can say y1 squared by 9 equal to 1. Simplify this one. 3 squared becomes 9. 4, 2 squared becomes 4. Already you are having a denominator 36. See, 3 squared 9, 2 squared 4. Already you are having a denominator 36. Plus y1 squared divided by 9 equal to 1. 9 and 36 will be cancelled. We can get 4. So 1 by 4 fours are 16. Then y1 squared by 9 equal to 1. So we need y1 squared by 9 equal to 1 minus 1 by 16. See once again. So this is the semi-elliptical arch. Total length is 12. We are splitting 6 meter here, 6 meter here. After that, convert the point 6 comma 0 minus 6 comma 0. The height of this arch, height means at the center. So it is 3 meter already given. So converting the point 0 comma 3. Therefore, write down the equation x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared equal to 1, a equal to 6, b equal to 3. Substitute the data. Then after that, we are considering a truck here. The total length of the truck, that means width 3 meter. From the center, it is 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Then from this place, we are going to find out the height. Height is nothing but y1. So consider this is 3 by 2. This value is y1. So it is a point. Consider P of 3 by 2 comma y1. So this ellipse passing through the point. Any equation passing through a point, substitute. We can say the ellipse passing through, ellipse passing through P of 3 by 2 comma y1. Make a sentence like this. This equation passing through this point, we can substitute P of 3 by 2 comma y1. That means x is replaced by 3 by 2, y is replaced by y1 squared. Simplifying this data, we can. Now we are going to find out the value of y1 squared. See this one. Once again, we are going to simplify the given data. So now we need y1 squared. So y1 squared equal to, take LCM here, 16 minus 1 divided by 16. Again this 9 is cross multiplying here. So take an LCM, 16 minus 1 divided by 16, 9 is cross multiplying. So y1 squared is equal to 16 minus 1. We can get 15 multiplication with 9 divided by 16. That means 15 times 9. 9 5s. Again 5. The remaining is 4. So we can get 13. That means 135 divided by 16. This is the value of y1 squared. So y1 squared is equal to 135 divided by 16. We need y1. So we need y1. So simplify this data. So y1 squared is equal to, y1 equal to, take the square root. Square root of 135 divided by 16. So we can write like this, numerator separately 135 divided by 16. By using the long division method, or you can take your logarithm books, verify the square root. So 135 approximately, here square root of 16 becomes 4. So here taking 135, so square root means 135 keep as it is. 6 for this 16 we can get 4. Now you can refer your logarithm tables, in that you are able to see the square root, or you can take the normal division method also. So we can get 11.6 approximately. You can use the logarithm tables. Now y1 equal to 11.6 divided by 4. So normally divide this one. 4 is divided by 11 divided by 4, we can get 2.2 times. The remaining is 3, 36 here. 36 is divided by, so 2.9. So it may be approximately 2.9 meter. See here, we are finding out the value of y1. Therefore, y1 is nothing but the height. So here, height equal to 2.9 meter. Now we are able to say the conclusion. Here height equal to 2.9 meter. That is the value of y1. So here height equal to, at 3 by 2 the height will be 2.9. But what is the original height of the truck? The original height of the truck is, truck height is 2.7 meter. This is given data. As per given data, you can see this one. So originally truck height is 2.7. But as per this ellipse height, that is a semi arch, is 2.9. Therefore, the value of truck height is less than the opening. So here the opening is 2.9, but the originally height of the truck is lesser than this one. Therefore, the height will clear. For example, consider this one. I am considering this one. This is a chalk piece box. Duster. See here. Originally height is like this. See the height. The height is larger than this duster. Therefore, in this opening, the duster will go through. So original height is, see here, exactly it coincides. This is considered to be a truck. So this truck will go through the arch. Original height is 2.9. That means opening is 2.9. The height of this chalk piece box, duster, 2.7 meter. Therefore, this truck will pass through, will clear the arch. That is the concept of this question. So dear students, you have to read the question clearly, understand. This is a life oriented problem. You are able to see many arches. In your road, you are able to see. This truck height, given height is 2.7. So we have to find the height of this opening at this breadth 3 by 2. That means breadth is nothing but 3 width. 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So therefore, the truck has a total width 3 meter. Then we are converting 3 by 2, 3 by 2, then only we can select this point. Clearly say this is the total width. From the center 3 by 2. So from this point 3 by 2, you have to find the height. So y1 is nothing but the height. Find the height 2.9 meter. Then already it is considered to be a truck. The width is 3 by 2. This is the width 3 by 2. Then we need to find the height. Height of the truck already given 2.7. This width is also given. So the given opening height is 2.9 meter. Therefore, you may conclude this concept. The height of the truck 2.7 meter less than the opening. Therefore, the truck will clear the archway. So, try yourself. Don't copy everything. Try yourself. We can discuss the next problem also. Dear students, listen. One more problem based on the concept of ellipse. It is also the application problem. Read the question once again very clearly. The maximum and minimum distances of the earth from the sun respectively, there are given two distances. One is 152 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. Another one is 94.5 into 10 to the power 6 kilometers. Here also kilometer. The sun is at one focus of the elliptical orbit. Find the distance from the sun to the other focus. From your lower classes onwards, you are saying this sentence. Earth revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. So already you are hearing the word elliptical orbit. So now we are going to take this concept. Earth revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Consider this. It is an elliptical orbit. Here we are having two focus. Here consider one focus, then another one focus, F dash. Then here consider it is earth. Consider this is in out of two focus. Sun is placed, see here, sun is placed at the one focus. So we are considering sun. Read the question, we can get. So in this way, sun is here, earth is here, earth revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. So see here, earth, sun. If the earth is, see, consider this end A dash, we already know this one. A and A dash are called two endpoints, that is called the vertices. If the earth is at A dash, it should be the longest distance from the sun. If the earth is at A, then it is the shortest distance. One is the longest distance, another one is the shortest. Here they are using the maximum and minimum. So if the earth is at A dash, that is the longest distance from the sun, that is given maximum distance 152 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. If the earth is at A, consider earth is revolving. Therefore, if earth is at A, that is the minimum distance, or we can say shortest distance. This is the given data. Now the question asked is, read, find the distance between this one, sun to other focus. What is the distance? We need to find this one. Sun is already placed at one focus. Then what is the distance between these two? Their question asked is from this to this. That means F dash they are asking, F and F dash. So read the question as per the given data. One is maximum distance. This is the given data. Say maximum distance. Maximum distance is, select this one, 152 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. This is the given, this is the maximum distance. So another one is given minimum distance. Say minimum distance. That is, the second one is, see here, 94.5. 94.5 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. So we are going to find distance between F and F dash. That is, one at one focus, sun is already placed. The question asked is, find the distance from sun to the other focus. So other focus is must be here. Therefore, we need to find F dash. The question asked is F dash. That is the question mark. we need to find. So as per the given data, take the concept first. Now we are going to take this diagram in an elliptical orbit. This is also elliptical orbit. By using the axis, we are going to select this one. See this one now. With the help of this rough diagram, I am going to draw a elliptical diagram by using the coordinate axis. Now listen. I am selecting the coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis. That is nothing but coordinate axis, C center. Now we are going to draw an ellipse. These are the one vertex, here also one vertex, A dash. So at one focus, sun is placed from this diagram at one focus. Here consider F dash, the other focus. Consider at this point, earth is placed. But the earth is revolving. So sun is at a fixed point. Sun must be at a fixed place. What are the foci from your standard data? This AE, 0. These are already we derived in the standard equation. This is AE, 0. This must be A, 0. Here F dash means minus AE, 0. A dash means minus A, 0. There must be always equidistance from center because it is a symmetrical diagram. We know the meaning of symmetrical. From the center, AE, 0. From the center, minus AE, 0. It must be the other side, X dash. Here A, 0. Here minus A, 0. All must be the equidistance from the center. Now, as per this diagram, we are creating the fair diagram with the help of the coordinate axis. See, the maximum distance already given 152 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. Just now I am explaining, if the earth is placed at A dash, then that should be the maximum distance. So I am taking a explanation. If the earth is placed at the vertex A dash, because it is revolving around the sun. So if the earth is placed at A dash, it is the maximum distance. It is the maximum distance. So this is the first data we are taking. So that, see, if the earth is moving along this path, it placed at A dash, then we are saying that is the maximum distance. See the maximum distance, F A dash, from this is the distance. So maximum distance is nothing but F A dash. From F to A dash, that is the maximum distance, 152 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. So from F to A dash, because the earth is placed at A dash, then only F A dash is called maximum distance. We are selecting, this is given data. So now I am writing F A dash. See this F dash, F A dash. I am splitting, see the idea. From this F to A dash, that is the maximum distance. See my fingers. I am splitting in two ways. I can write like this, CF separately, CA dash separately. So I can write CA dash plus CF equal to 152 into 10 to the power 6. See this one? This is F, my fingers placed F A dash. I am splitting this F A dash total distance in two ways, CF separately, CA dash separately, CA dash CF. What is the necessity? From the center we are splitting it. Center is origin. C to A dash, how much distance? It is a point. Point wise we are giving negative, but distance is always positive. C A dash must be A, CF must be AE, equal to 152 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. See this data, first clear information. Say this is equation number 1. So F A dash can be split in two ways. From this F to A dash, I am writing like this, CF, CA dash. That is total distance. That is the maximum distance. I can write CA dash, CF. CA dash means A. see it is a point, so we are taking negative, but we need the distance. We are thinking about the distance. Distance means always a positive quantity. A plus AE 152 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. See the second data, minimum distance. When we are getting the minimum distance, if the earth revolving around the sun and coincides at A, then it should be the minimum distance from the sun to the earth. Therefore, make a sentence, if, this is the first idea, if the earth, if the earth is placed at A, see here A dash is the maximum. If the earth is placed at A, it is the minimum distance. It is the minimum distance. See, this is the logic. See the data. Minimum distance is how much? Here FA dash is the maximum distance. FA is the minimum distance. FA is the minimum distance. How much? 94.5 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. See this knowledge. FA. See this knowledge. See clearly. FA is the minimum distance. Minimum distance is already given in your data. 94.5 into 10 to the power 6. Now FA can be split in the form of, I need this one. This is the given data. So CA minus CF will produce FA. CA minus this one, we can get minus this CA minus CF. So we need, we are giving FA, CA minus this one we can get. Therefore, I can write this FA in the form of CA minus CF equal to 94.5 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. What is the value of CA? CA already origin. A is A comma 0. Therefore, we can say it is A. What is the value of CF already? AE minus AE equal to 94.5 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. Say this is equation number 2. Say it is equation number 2. See now, F dash already I am asking, we need to find F dash. That is the question mark I already used. See here, F dash, what is the meaning? Here one AE, here one AE. That is F is nothing but 2 times AE. So we need to find 2 times AE. See here one AE. See here another one AE. It is the maximum distance. This is minimum distance. So maximum minus minimum. See, I am using this one. Second equation minus first equation. See the second equation, A plus AE. Here A minus AE. So subtracting we are able to get. See once again, clear idea. So you have to apply. This is a application problem. From lower classes onwards you are using the sentence, earth revolving around the sun. So what is the maximum distance from sun to earth? That is one question. What is the minimum distance? These 2 data already given. Therefore, this is the maximum distance 152 into 10 to the power 6. Here see, when maximum distance possible, that is the concept. If the earth is at A dash, that is the method. So make a sentence. If the earth is placed at A dash, it is the maximum distance. Then use this one. Here maximum means from the sun here, earth here. That is FA dash is the maximum. Use the knowledge. We are splitting this FA dash. That is the logic. See the diagram. Use your fingers. F is here. A dash here. From the center you have to split. That's all. From the center means CF, CA dash. I am writing CF plus CA dash. What is the value of CA? CA dash, that is A. CF, AE. So use it. Another one. Minimum distance, that is the shortest distance. If the earth is placed at A, say make a sentence. If the earth is placed at A, it is the minimum distance. So minimum distance means this is the minimum distance. Use this FA. So FA can be split in the form of, we need this one. From the center, CA minus CF. Use it. So say that is equation number 2. So now, see this. sorry, I am using here 2 minus 1, use 1 minus 2, because it is the maximum distance. Equation number 1 is maximum distance. 1 minus 2 I am going to use. Now listen. What is the equation number 1 here? I am using A plus AE. This is your LHS. Here equation number 2, I am using the subtraction. Equation number 2, A minus AE equal to, in your RHS side, 152 into 10 to the power 6 minus 94.5 into 10 to the power 6. So first equation is the maximum. First equation minus second equation. So 1 minus 2, use this one. First equation A plus AE. Second equation A minus AE. 152, this is the maximum minus minimum. Use the logic now. So first equation minus second equation, we are using this one. So if you are opening this bracket, what will happen here? A plus AE minus AE plus AE. Minus of minus becomes positive. Here take out 10 power 6 common. The remaining is 152. Here 152 minus 94.5. So consider like this. So we are giving 10. 10 minus 5. So we are giving 1. So 11. 11 minus 4. 7. So already given one data here. So we are getting 14. 14 minus 9. We can get 57. So 14 minus 9, 57.5. So see here, if we are subtracting this one, 152 is the maximum. Take out 10 power 6 common, 152. The remaining 94.5, 10 means remaining. Here 1 means 11, 11, 4 means 7. Here 14, 14 minus 9 we can get 5. So 57.5, we are getting 57.5, 10 power 6 is common, you can say 10 power 6 kilometer. So now what is the meaning? A, negative A will be removed. AE again adding with AE, we can get 2 times AE is equal to 57.5 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. So here 2 times AE. See here, CF is 1 AE. CF dash is 1 AE. So this is nothing but FF dash. So FF dash is nothing but 2 times AE. So we need distance between sun and the other focus. Here other focus. Here one focus. Already sun is placed at one focus. So we need FF dash. So 2 times AE is nothing but FF dash. I can write like this, 57.5. Instead of this decimal I am using 575 into 10 to the power 5. Instead of 6 I can take 110. So 575 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer. This is the distance between sun and other focus. This is a question asked today. Find the FF dash. So you have to analyze the question and first take the rough diagram. It is a practical problem. You can apply your brain and use the practical problems, then draw a rough diagram. After that, take a fair diagram. The fair diagram is we are able to plot the points. See here, F, AE, 0, A, 0, minus AE, A dash. Place, sun is placed at one focus. Earth is revolving around the orbit. So diagram. Then what is the maximum distance? What is the minimum distance? That is the 2 logic. If the sun is placed at A dash, that is the maximum. If the sun is placed at A, that is the minimum. These are 2 logic. So use the diagram. Find out the distance. Then 1 minus 2. That is the maximum distance minus minimum distance. Use it. You are able to get 2 times AE. Here 2 times AE is nothing but FF dash. FF dash is nothing but distance from the sun to the other focus. So dear students, try yourself, work out.